Let me show you how to move objects in Blender. It's really simple. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. First, open Blender and make sure you're in object mode. You can check this in the top left corner of the screen, where you should see object mode written. If it's not already selected, click the drop-down menu and choose object mode. Now, to select the object you want to move, just right-click or left-click, depending on your preferences, on it. You'll see an outline appear around the object, indicating it's selected. Next, press the G key on your keyboard to activate the Move tool. You'll see the object become highlighted, and it will follow your cursor as you move it. You want to move the object along a specific axis. Press X for the X-axis, Y for the Y-axis, and Z for the Z-axis. This will constrain the movement to that direction. To confirm the move, left-click or press Enter. If you want to cancel the move, right-click or press Escape. That's it. Now you know how to move objects in Blender. I hope this video helped.